chose mechatronics engineering. It's actually a combination of mechanical engineering and electrical engineering together with computer science. With technology expanding so much, you sort of need to be aware of all sorts of aspects of engineering. And mechatronics was great because it gave me a lot of options into the future. If I wanted to go into power engineering, I could. 3 years into my mechatronics degree, I decided I wanted to take some time off and work in the industry. I was actually able to secure a position in Switzerland. Australia is actually one of the very few countries that offer a mechatronics course. So there was a position in Switzerland that needed mechanical engineering skills together with computer science and electrical. The fact that I was sitting there at the headquarters in Switzerland looking after a series of power plants, making sure they weren't blowing up and making sure they were operating well. If something needed to be changed in a power station, I was able to call up an operator in Mexico or wherever it was and tell him to shut a valve. And just the fact that I knew how to do that the course had given me the skills, and the fact that people with this degree were willing to trust me with that level of responsibility to make those decisions, to solve problems. As part of the graduate program last year, I got an opportunity to go to India for 4 months. What I had to do there was have a look at an existing product that our organisation had and have a look at how we could change it and modify it to suit the global market. It gave me an opportunity to really get involved in some innovative design that could really make a difference. One of the best parts was that I didn't actually have to look for a job. I had 3 offers presented to me. All 3 had great career opportunities into the future and lots of growth and learning. One of the most interesting projects I've been working on recently is with one of my clients working on the world's largest solar power plant. I'm getting involved with making sure this client has the latest technological know-how. In power engineering, women are in the minority, and I think that's partly because a lot of women don't realise the scope of work involved. I guess one of the best things I love is the variety of work that I get involved in. One minute I might be organising a robotics trade show at the Melbourne Convention Centre. The other I could be working on site at a power plant in India. Or the next moment I'm talking to a factory representative in France about introducing a new product to the Australian market. It's always something new and there's always something new to learn.